resumed. Around 2 months ago, nilabas ko po sa hearing ang connection ni Guo Huaping sa grupo ni Michael Yang. Kung matatandaan natin, si Hong Jiangyang na nakababatang kapatid ni Michael Yang ay may joint account sa isa sa mga kasosyo ni Guo Huaping sa negosyo, si Yu Zhengkan. A few days ago, nahuli ng mga opisyales ng Bureau of Immigration si Yang Jianxin alias Tony Yang, ang nakatatandang kapatid ni Michael Yang. Michael Yang has previously denied any connection with illegal pogos, but it seems his elder brother has dipped his hands in pogo and scam money as well. A pogo associated with Tony Yang